Welcome students, this is Varsha, CBSE Max 10th. So this is your 8th lesson, Trigonometry. Example 11th one, express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and 45. Okay, so this is your question. See, cot 85 plus cos 75. So here the angle is 85 degree and 75 degree. So you have to change between 0 and 45. So that is what your question. So you have to change the 85 degree and 75 degree between 0 and 45. Okay, so before that you have to know the complementary angles for the trigonometric ratios. See, what is the formula for that? Is sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Then cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So this is one formula. Okay, see, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta and cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. See, these are complementary angles. Okay, so what is the next one? That is tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta and cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Okay, now what are the remaining? That is secant and cosecant. Okay, secant theta can be written cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant theta can be written secant 90 minus theta. Okay students, so these are the formula. So whenever you have a trigonometric sum, you have to write the formula first. Okay, see, now go to the question, that is cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree. So first I am going to change cot 85. Okay, so first you have to understand how to change first. Okay, see, cot 85, so see, write cot 85, you can change the 85 into 90 minus 5. Is that okay? Is that okay? Do you understand? Yes. 85 can be written as 90 minus 5. Now the formula. See, this is cot 90 minus theta. So what is your theta? That is 5. So the answer is tan 5 degree. Okay students. Now cos 75 degree. So how will you write? Cos 90 minus, say, 15. Okay, so this is cos 90 minus 15. See, 90 minus 15, that is 75. So you have to write the cos. You need not change the cos. You have to change for 75 degree and for 85 degree. For 75 degree, you have written 90 minus 15 degree. Okay, so this is cos 90 minus theta. Your theta is 15 degree. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Okay, so sin theta means 15 degree. See, this is your answer. So see, cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree equal to cot 85 changed into tan 5 degree plus cos 75, it's changed into sin 15. So we got the answer. Okay, so the degrees changed between 0 and 45. So that is your question. Okay, so you have changed the degrees into 0 and 45. Okay, do you understand students? I hope you all understand. So after seeing the video, please do the sum. Okay, thank you.